What's up guys, today we are looking at an iPhone 12 mini clear gel case. So there we have it, it's the 5.4 inch screen. It's too much glare, hang on a second. Maybe that's a bit better. Alright, so I got this for about about £2.50 sterling, about €3 in price. The brand is ASD and it is basically a silicone case. So it comes in this plastic wrapping. Plastic wrapping here. Just a bit of paper and styrofoam. There's the case. There's a bit of grippy material here. And power button volume has a little bit of plastic sticking out to push on the button. There the charging port and speaker and mic. Nothing on top. It has the extra bumpers on the corners. Yep, I just have to get the iPhone 12 mini and then I'll test it. I'll be back. What's up guys, here we are with the iPhone 12 mini. I want to get rid of this old case. I think this was just solid plastic. That's why it's so tight. And it's already cracked. When it drops, it cracks. And it's not coming off. It's already broken. I mean, it's a very hard case to take off. Come on. Oh, there we go. This is the old case. Plastic, not as good. First, let me just clean this phone. Use some glass cleaner. Oops. Hang on a sec. Okay. The plastic won't seem to catch more dirt because there's no space to move. Just doing a quick clean here. Clean the sides. Okay, I'm gonna get a dry part of the cloth. Wipe off the excess. Here's the gel case. Snaps on no problem. Nice fit. There's a glass screen protector right there at the thing's working fine. Yeah, so there we have it. iPhone 12 mini case, gel case. If you have any comments or questions, leave it in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching. Bye.